He need to be shackled to a bed. I'm talking about you, Ivan Green. Seems like I got a hater with somebody. Ivan Green, baby, you wish you was melanated. I think that's the issue. But, you know, see, my ancestors will come your way. You keep playing with me, okay? Keep playing with me, okay? Keep playing with me. I'm going to send some hocus pocus your way, Ivan Green. Hey, Bradley, hey! Exactly. Pig along. Who y'all about to go rob? Ain't nobody about to go rob nobody. You know what? I'm so used to these little, how should I say this? I am so used to Ritz crackers trying to be seen in a field full of cheese. I am so used to Ritz crackers. I'm so used to that. However, Ivan Green, I'm going to give you the time of the day, okay, baby? How many minutes do you have, honey? Ivan Green? Huh? We're about to have some sociable crackers, okay, Ivan Green? Let me be a Karen for you right now. Because apparently you don't know what enjoying life is about. You see us melanated sisters? We just love being melanated. However, there are always people around trying to take our shine and dim our light. Pardon me, Ivan Green, but I'm the type of sister that supports one another. You know, I love my melanated people. So, hey, Ivan Green, what's next, you sociable cracker? What's next? Keep coming. Keep coming, Ivan. What's next? I'm gonna have you shacker later. What's next? Did Ivan Green say? You sociable cracker. You want some hors d'oeuvres with that? Oh my God. You did it to yourself. Ivan Green. You saying all these slurs like I'm bothered, honey. What does it Ivan say? What did he say? Oh my God. I don't have long because my phone is dying. My mom didn't pay the electric bill. Oh, Ivan. Well.
And then he just turned into a kid.
Yeah, you know, I'm coming a little too hard, so now
you
he wants to be
just turned into a child sucker.
You know, I just gave it to him, that's all. You play with my sister, but I'm playing with you.
Now he played with his bitch ass. That's what he played with.
So, how y'all doing? Yes. Yes, he is. Yes, he is, baby, because he got the right one. I'm ready for the shits all day. I got jokes for days.
Yeah, you remind me of somebody.
Trust me, I will not get offended. You see, I'm putting my blonde hair behind my ear. You like my blue eyes, Ivan? Clock that, T.
Yep.
Woo!
Really need to stick to your own.
I'm not a child. I'm 46 years old. Well, you damn sure don't act like it.
You 46 years old?
I'm 40. I'm not a child. I'm 46 years old.
You a 46-year-old miserable.
Girl, he miserable as hell. I'm trying to see what color box he came from. Acting like that, Ivan. I thank God you behind this screen, Ivan. I'm just, oh my God, I'm so happy you behind this screen.
Did you hear what them people said?
Well,
they will be fighting if anybody, the cops say in Florida, if you spit on them, you're gonna be gone to the hospital and you're gonna get a few dog bites. If you hit them, I said on them, hell, haven't y'all been doing it? Haven't y'all been fighting people and putting them in the hospital?
You spit on me in real life.
I told them I need to give me a dog.
Lord forbid, but God, you know I ain't all the way there, but somebody spit on me. God gonna have to be with me because I'm whoop some ass. Spit on me.